This video will walk you through the steps to set up your notification channel with SendGrid server. So as you can take a look in my environment, we'll start with the basic details. In the basic details, the notification channel name, you can give a name of your choice. I have chosen SendGrid for my purpose. In the supported service, you need to choose others bracket sender. In the sender's detail under outgoing server part, you need to enter smtp.sendgrid.net. The port number would be 587 and you can give any username and give your sender's password. Then you can configure a sender email and an admin email. This admin email is the prime person who is the administrator of all the SendGrid accounts, and here in the sender's email you can enter the email of the person from whom email address you want the report should go to the stakeholders or the end users. Apart from that, you can scroll down and also customize this message and the subject line. Once you are done with the setup, all you need to do is the test of an email and click on the send now button. You will notice a success message appears over here, and you will also receive an email that will validate your settings. So see, even though my admin email was different and the sender's email was Utkarsh, so I received an email from Utkarsh which is basically validating my second. So once the setup is done, you can just click on the save and your notification channel would be ready to use to send reports to your stakeholders.